Hello, my name is Diana Koshtura, and today I will make a review about what I do from March to May, developing a text analysis program for quick answers for people with hearing impairments. So, about developing program, in the last few years, the demand for communication applications between people has been growing because it is fast way to communicate. Modern messengers are used for messaging, but the idea promoted people around the world to create a similar application for people with hearing impairments. So, this is one of the first and defining steps to solving the global problem because people with disabilities live among us and also want to communicate. Not everyone understands sign language, and not everyone can immediately understand that a person has hearing problems. So, this application is very necessary. Um, its popularity is very big, and such applications gain their popularity from day to day. So in the USA, this program is very popular because the government carry about people with hearing disabilities, and of course this is popular in such countries as Germany and Poland. Of course, in Europe, this problems is also main problem, and developers, programmers, and government try to solve this problem. And of course, in Ukraine, this problem arises, and it is on the main stage. So, main steps are how my program is starting and how the user will communicate with my program and what steps it includes. So the first step is to try to enter the application. Of course, user can just enter without registration, but of course, user can registrate in this app to uh, save his options and with his registration we can do analysis and make our app better. The second step is to go to the main page to choose what a person or what want to do to make a speech to text function or to choose analysis of text or choose um, his text to be heard. So the third option is to choose the option. The first step is to receive this text, and the last step is to receive quick answers. After this, of course, is extension such as make some filters or type the answers for ourselves. So, text analyzing, what it is? It is a process of extracting information and disclosing the analyzed text as statistics. So, it is used to analyze customer, for example, email, to understand text from service professionals, or to analyze customer feedback on a product or services, to analyze keywords for different types of tasks. So in my program, I use analyze keywords for different type of tasks, and my tasks is to make quick answers from what people are talking. People talked our talks. How it cooperate with user. So we can in this picture see that user of my application clone firstly can make registration or only enter the application. User can see the filters, options, and of course, user can make exit of application if user just want to make a short look of the application. So the application will develop a system that will analyze the speaker's text and offer quick answers. So in this picture we can see the registration page, and it is not necessary, but will help us and the user to make the program better. The page, we can see the page which analyzes the text so that the user can provide a quick response from the proposed options, or user can type the answer and it will be voiced. If the user does not find the right answer, he type and text will be sounded through the phone speaker. So the results. We can see on this picture that we have name, for example, Diana, and we see the text name of user. And of course, we see that is unnamed person just said. We of course can name this person, and we see the small dialogue. What's the weather? It's rainy today, and we can see that before our name Diana, we have a quick answer, how are you? And if we choose this question answer, we can use it and we can voice it. So how are you? Happy? How about you? And the quick answer is I'm feeling happy, but we didn't choose it, so we just have a silence, and person just said sometimes saying nothing tells a lot. Analysis of words. Of course, there is tendency how many words can analyze our app, and from analysis we can say that the best count of words is of course 5. There is it's also good if a person said about 10 or 15 words, but it may be difficult for app to analyze these words. So, conclusion. Of course, we will make better our app. We will add filters for text analysis. Of course, it will be integrated with modern systems, and of course we make some analysis about money, and we make a decision to add advertising banners of interactive format, namely mini games based on the canvas model of the user's internet browser. And of course it will be convenient for users to add an email notification system for users for various updates and improvements. Review of general statistic of the platform's performance by regions and categories to better understand the necessary settings. It will be useful and useful for us and very worthy, because we will see how users cooperate with our app and how we can improve it. Of course, we want to develop alternative versions of the applications for various mobile platforms, and of course we want to make authorizations through third-party services such as for example Facebook or Google. So that's all.